Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So some few days ago I've talked about a scenario for bonk on the 1 hour time frame, and everything that I was speaking about 4 days ago looks like today finally bonk did actually end up respecting what I said, and that's pretty good. So thank you, bonk. It was pretty obvious. I saw a bullish divergence happening here. Regular bullish divergences were happening. There was a very big fall to the downside as well. We saw, bonk really coming from 4,007 745 all the way down to 2,047. This was nearly a 60% drop to the downside, and now you kind of had this resistance line that I talked before, and look how amazingly well did you just break above and also retested it. So I told you it's pretty safe to say that if you end up coming to 1878, you are going to open up the window to continue to drop. Are you doing that? No. Everything that is happening right now is pretty solid. Even Bitcoin is probably looking for $85,000. And I've said this for a long time now. Yes, the market has pumped, but there are no signs of stopping and going down. Is that music to your ears? Because I feel so good saying that. It's incredible. Now, there is a pattern forming up, and I want to show you where the next move is going to be. So you have a support and resistance coming up here at 2754. Now what you need to do is break above 2754, retest, and you're going to have this little bit of a pattern and reversal around the bottom right there, and this can take you up from there to there, and you're going to be looking at a technical target probably up to 3776. Now there could be a debate where this might be an ascending triangle as well, something like that, which if we extend this two of them, it actually takes you all the way up to 31 of March. So you could expect a move up here, a rejection, a move down like this, and move sideways for a while until you don't break above and go up to that technical target, and that's going to be a nice good opportunity, which is actually 37 to 38%. And that's all for the very quick update on bonk. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.